Hi lovies, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a little wreath that's going to go on my kitchen cabinet. Okay, so I bought this Dollar Tree little wreaths, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take two of them and put them together like so. I'm going to need some wire and wire cutters, but mine are gone, so I'm going to use these. So you take two, you put one on top of the other. You get some picks according to what your decoration is. As you know, mine is rose gold, maybe a little bit of silver sometime, and I also like glitter. Okay, let's get started. So I simply took two Dollar Tree wreaths, as you can see. I meshed them together by twisting the bottom over the top to make them look like they're fuller than they are. The bottom, when you twist it over, are a little shorter, which is good because you want those layers a little longer and a little shorter. Okay, now that we're all finished with that part and meshing both wreaths together, it looks a little fuller. Been from Joann's fabric. It's $9.99, but with the coupon it was anyway, everything that I bought, these things, these little ornaments from Joann fabric, all came out to like $9. 9 something, so it was worth it. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna hang the wreath this way, which I happen to like. So I do have a wreath hanger up on the wall, so we'll make another bowl like we did the other day. Place the bowl on the wreath. You can have it on the bottom, on the side, on the top, whichever way you like. I'm going to keep it on the bottom. You can also add to it and make the tails longer if you'd like. So I'm going to use these picks and play around, see what I like, and maybe add to the left, to the right. I'm just going to play around with it so that I'm sure it's what I like before I glue them down. I'm gonna put the bigger things down first. You know, kind of stick it into the bowl. Doesn't have to be completely flat. This is good. We're gonna do the same thing for the other side. And kind of maneuver it. A little bit smaller. And the last ones we're gonna put are these. So as you can see, it's starting to shape up. Sometimes things don't work how you want them, but you can always glue them, open them up, move them around. There's never ever a mistake. I think this looks so pretty already. See, like right here, there's a bit of a gap. So we're just gonna place that there. It just looks like it's continuing. Just gonna take these little bolitas and put them over here. Just with these little gaps and wherever you feel you want to see a little gold. One thing I did learn, if you're gonna go around, put it in clusters of 3, or you're gonna have 3 big balls, not 4. Don't put 2 and 2. Nothing is absolutely perfect in nature. So you're gonna have it don't have it so structured. But these are tiny and we're putting on each side, that's fine. But if you're going to go around, then you don't want to be able to count them. There's one extra one. And I guess we can put it right here. Looks like there's a little missing something there. So that is it. I'm gonna hang it this way. It's not bad for over the sink. Let's see what it looks like up. I don't like blue lights. I like white or clear. And I didn't know that these tiny little Dollar Tree lights are blue when you light them. They were little snowflakes. But I guess it looks pretty nice. It looks like it's just, wow, it looks really pretty. This is what it looks like when it's off. See that? So you just hide that. Doesn't look so bad. This is my little signature hearts that I make. I have a video coming up eventually I sew these by hand, but of course you can glue them and put them together the way you like. But yeah, this is the end result. Okay, my lovies, I hope you enjoyed my tutorial today. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.